Welcome to my new video. In this tutorial I will explain you step by step how to create a package with procedure and a function. For more details and the code which is used in this tutorial, check out the link in the video description to my blog post. So let's get started. First of all, we will open here over the SQL workshop the SQL command. I have prepared some code, so I will paste here. For the package specification we need here this code. So with this two line we can create only the specification. If I press the Control Enter button, then you can see the package is created, but it will be empty package specification. So I can go here to the object browser and open this package. Then you can see we have currently only the specification but without any procedure or function. So what we are doing is we will fill up this package with a function. So as you can see here, this is our function name. It started with the fn. This function has three different parameters. Every parameter I write with pi because parameter input, also parameter in it's mean. So and the function has also one return value in the data format number. What is the function doing? The function, a user can give to the function three different values. Also one value will be capital, one value will be the since rate, and the third value is the year. Later I will also tell you the logic about this. But here for the first in the specification we define only the function name and also the parameter and the read. Then I copy the procedure and will also paste here and explain you. As you can see, this is the procedure. The name begins with the PR. We have also here two different parameters, customer name and report date. The data types are varchar and date. Now if I click on the Control Enter button, then you can see the package is created, and we can go here to the object browser and refresh the page, and then we will see here we have here now two different objects. So now what we can do is create the body because it's currently empty. The main logic will be also created here in the body. So I go back here in the SQL command, delete this all, and will paste the another code. So here is our fully code of the body. So from the package body we have here our function is the same like specification, but what is new is that we have here declared one variable, calculation with the data type number. This variable will have the value from here, this is our calculation. And if we have a look in the calculation, then we can see the capital is one parameter, we have here the since is one parameter, and we have the years, this is also one parameter. So after this calculation is done, the value will be saved on this variable, and then the value of this variable will be returned by this function. So we move to the procedure. We have also by the procedure these two parameters. There is no logic. What we are doing is only give these three lines on the terminal and say report for customer name, also this is the parameter, and then we have here report date, also this is the parameter, and that's all. I press Control Enter and the package body is created. We go here, make a refresh, and then we can see we have now here code in the package body. Now you have seen how we can create a package specification and package body. In the next step we will run this function, and for this we will open here the SQL command and enter a new code. So then, as I explained you before, this function have a return value. Also in the beginning we write here our package name, and then in the second position we type here the function name. These are the different parameter, and for example we have 1,000 euro, we want the 5% in 3 years. So we will find out how many cents will we get after 3 years. So this function will give us a return value. The return value will be saved in this variable which is declared here, and then we make here output. We will see on the results this line for the output. So I will press Control Enter and can see interest amount is 157. So for example, if I double my amount and I have 7% for 2 years and I press Control Enter, then I see okay, my amount change 289 euro. Yeah, and so with this function we can enter some value over the parameter and will get as a return a value number. This is the target of this function. Now I will show you how to run the second procedure. Here's the code, and we define in the first parameter the name Max Mustermann, and our second value in the parameter is the current date, also this date. Yeah, if I press Ctrl Enter, then I see report for Max Mustermann, report date is this, and thank you for using our service. What we have defined here. So in this tutorial you have seen how to create a package with function and procedure, and how you can call these from the SQL command. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful and you are now able to do this. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.